The Sony A7S IV has quickly become one of the most talked about and highly anticipated cameras in Sony's upcoming lineup. With the A7S III now approaching its 4th anniversary, many filmmakers and hybrid creators are eagerly waiting to see how Sony plans to elevate its next low-light flagship. The A7S series has long been regarded as the go-to choice for videographers who demand exceptional low-light performance, cinematic color science, and reliable professional tools in a compact body. Now, fresh leaks and credible industry whispers suggest that the Sony A7S IV could be the most advanced and refined version yet, a camera designed to redefine what mirrorless video performance can truly be. Early information indicates that Sony is not just focusing on raw performance upgrades but also on usability and reliability. The rumored redesign reportedly introduces improved ergonomics, particularly in the hand grip and button layout, ensuring more comfort during long shoots. One of the standout engineering changes is said to be a new thermal management system, featuring an upgraded radiator and internal heat dissipation channels. This would directly address one of the biggest challenges faced by previous Sony cameras, overheating during extended 4K recording sessions. With a more efficient cooling structure, the A7S IV could sustain high bitrate video capture for longer periods without compromising performance or requiring frequent cooldown breaks. In terms of body design, Sony seems to be maintaining the familiar A7S form factor, compact yet solid, while refining the build with enhanced weather sealing and more tactile controls. Insiders suggest that the electronic viewfinder EVF will receive a notable bump in resolution and refresh rate, possibly matching the 9.44 million OLED found in Sony's flagship A1. Meanwhile, the rear LCD screen may be upgraded to a brighter, higher-resolution display with improved touch responsiveness, catering to filmmakers who rely on real-time monitoring in outdoor environments. When it comes to the sensor, the speculation has been nothing short of fascinating. Multiple sources report different paths Sony could take. One of the most persistent rumors points to a 20.5 megapixel sensor with around 19 effective megapixels, similar to the configuration found in the Sony FX9, but with a major technological twist. This sensor reportedly employs a dual-layer transistor design, a cutting-edge architecture that allows more light to reach each photodiode while enabling faster readout speeds. The result would be dramatically improved low-light sensitivity and superior dynamic range, potentially offering twice the performance of current A7S III sensors in extreme lighting conditions. However, another set of leaks paints a different picture, hinting at a 24-megapixel global shutter sensor derived from Sony's latest Alpha 9 III technology. If this rumor proves true, the A7S IV could become one of the few hybrid cameras to feature a full-frame global shutter, a game-changing upgrade that eliminates rolling shutter distortions entirely. For fast-motion scenes, handheld tracking shots, or quick pans, this would ensure every frame remains perfectly aligned without the infamous jello effect that plagues most CMOS sensors. Either way, both sensor options point toward a future where the A7S IV becomes an even stronger powerhouse for professional filmmakers. Beyond the sensor, Sony is also rumored to be pushing its image stabilization system to new heights. Reports suggest that the A7S IV could debut an 8-stop in-body image stabilization IBIS mechanism, the most powerful ever in a Sony full-frame body. This, combined with enhanced active stabilization and Sony's advanced gyro data analysis, could allow for handheld footage that rivals gimbal-level smoothness. For run-and-gun creators or documentary shooters, this level of stabilization would be transformative, reducing the need for external rigging and keeping setups lightweight and mobile. Autofocus performance will likely receive a major overhaul as well. Borrowing from the AI-driven tracking systems seen in the A7RV and A9 III, the Sony A7S IV is expected to feature deep learning-based subject recognition, capable of identifying humans, animals, vehicles, and even insects with precision. The use of machine learning could allow the camera to adapt dynamically to movement patterns, maintaining accurate focus even in unpredictable shooting conditions. For video creators, This means reliable eye tracking during interviews, cinematic focus transitions during motion, and consistent accuracy when switching between subjects mid-scene. Now, the area where the Sony A7S4 truly begins to shine is video recording. Leaked internal specifications point to 6K recording at multiple frame rates, including 120 FPS, 60 FPS, 30 FPS, and 24 FPS, all potentially without sensor crop. This would mark a significant evolution from the A7S3's 4K limited sensor, enabling filmmakers to take full advantage of oversampled footage for sharper 4K delivery. The oversampling process from 6K to 4K would result in cleaner details, less noise, and more flexibility in post-production. In addition, the A7S4 is rumored to incorporate a dual native ISO system, with the second base ISO set at 25,600, allowing exceptional performance in near-dark environments. This feature could redefine what's possible in nighttime cinematography, opening creative opportunities for documentary shooters, event videographers, and indie filmmakers who often work with minimal lighting setups. Combined with Sony's renowned S-Log3 and S-Cinetone color profiles, users can expect footage with incredible dynamic range, cinematic tonality, and wide grading latitude. The camera's codec options are also expected to expand, possibly including 10-bit 4:2 internal recording, RAW output via HDMI, and higher bitrate all-intra modes. Some leaks even mention the potential for 6K RAW recording to external recorders, which would make the A7S4 a legitimate contender in professional production workflows, rivaling even Sony's cinema line cameras like the FX3 and FX6. On the connectivity front, Sony seems to be preparing for a future-ready workflow. The A7S4 could feature dual CF Express type of card slots for faster data throughput, Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed wireless file transfers, and USB 4.0 for ultra-fast tethering or external SSD recording. The addition of full-size HDMI and possibly improved power management for continuous shooting sessions would further enhance its appeal to professional filmmakers who rely on dependable connectivity and efficiency on set. As for release timing, industry insiders believe Sony is aiming for a late 2025 launch window, possibly around October or November. The company has reportedly registered several new camera models in regulatory databases across Asia, strongly suggesting that active development and testing are already underway. That said, some analysts caution that unexpected supply chain delays or production bottlenecks could push the official release into early 2026. When it comes to pricing, speculation points toward a modest increase compared to the A7S3's launch cost of $3,499. Given the rumored advancements, from global shutter or dual-layer sensor technology to enhanced IBIS and 6K open-gate recording, the A7S4 is likely to retail around $3,999 to $4,199. This pricing would position it squarely within reach of professional creators while still undercutting larger cinema line models like the FX3 and FX6. Still, with so many details yet to be confirmed, patience remains key. Sony has not made any official announcements, and as with all leaks, some specifications may change before launch. But if even half of these rumors come true, the Sony A7S4 could once again solidify Sony's dominance in the hybrid video market, a true low-light beast ready to push the boundaries of modern filmmaking.